Welcome to JH. Today, we'll explore how to run a sprint retrospective using Jira. This vital agile practice allows teams to review their previous sprint, highlighting successes while pinpointing areas for growth. Once your sprint concludes, your first task is organizing the retrospective session. Jira simplifies this by offering a built-in feature to generate a retrospective within Confluence, a robust collaborative platform. Begin by clicking the option to create a retrospective for the current sprint, which serves as your primary tool for leading a productive team evaluation. After selecting that option, you must pick the specific Confluence space to host your documentation. Ensure you select a space that matches your project or team to maintain organization and easy access. Think of this as a digital hub for your collective insights. Next, you will customize the format of your session. Confluence provides two primary choices, a standard page or a digital whiteboard. A page works best for capturing thorough notes, whereas a whiteboard offers a more interactive, visual experience. Pick the format that best encourages active participation from your specific group. Once your format is set, generate and publish the document. Publishing is vital because it grants all participants access to the content. This acts as a pre-meeting agenda, allowing everyone to prepare their thoughts in advance. As the document goes live, prompt your team to add their feedback. They should highlight what worked well and what needs adjustment. Contributions aren't restricted to the meeting itself. Members can input ideas before or during the session for a full overview of the sprint's results. The advantage of pairing Confluence with Jira is that your meeting notes automatically link to the finished sprint. This connection makes it simple to track specific tasks or past discussions, creating a continuous feedback loop. Ultimately, using these tools together optimizes your workflow and improves team collaboration. By following these steps, your team will steadily progress with every sprint, achieving superior outcomes. Remember, these sessions are for both solving issues and celebrating wins to keep team morale high. Stay tuned for more tips on refining your agile workflows.